Get it. Hey, go Trouble in Paradise on him. Huh? That's that one I just taught you. The one you just right there, yeah. Oh, yeah. Once your back's to it, that's when you do it. Remember?
Start.
It's just one step. He thought. Go kill it.
Alright, Paul. You haven't got in there.
I don't let on me, so this, I don't want this to break, so yeah. Y'all should hit that. So I'd be hitting this black.
So my skinny jeans, I tried that shit, felt like you gave me a hernia. Who's that? Is that Banana Split Thumper? Some nigga hopping, look at him. Yeah, kicking that bong. This nigga right here. Coming up like Jay-Z. Ooh, straight kick that motherfucker. Oh, you seen that? Knocked his nose! Damn. No black ass getting in the way. Ooh. Somebody just got knocked. That was by him. This nigga running. Ooh, that nigga. Ooh. What you doing over there? Go! Toy?
A toy, what?
You about to break the motherfucking tree.
Other fear. And
ooh, that would knee to the jaw.
Knee to the jaw, knocking out.
Knee to the jaw.
Oh, that's something you did wrong. Knee the tree.
Hole. We got a hole. We got a hole.
Hole where? Where? Show us the hole. Show us the hole on camera so we know there's a hole.
Oh.
Where? There's the hole. Look at it. Ooh. Ow. Ow.
Okay, good.
We gotta learn that new